Hey guys, we received this Kingston NV2 2 terabyte M.2 2280 SSD for test and try. So it's an internal SSD drive PCIe 4.0 with a Gen 4 by 4. So I had to just open up this and then show it to you. So this comes in a nice box and let me just take out this internal SSD. So you can see it's a nicely built internal SSD drive. And just for the test and try, I need an enclosure so that I can put it and show it to you in the working thing. So this is the enclosure I have for the M.2 drives and I'm just putting in this. So once this fit in properly, you have to be careful and just lock it down from the other side. So I'm just putting in my enclosure. This goes in and fit in. So once this is all locked up, I'm just closing my enclosure and I can use it as a now portable SSD. But this is actually internal SSD that you can use. I'm using the benchmark and just trying to see. Now, this benchmark also depends on my enclosure speed, also my USB-C port. So this is working fine, and you can see that this all add up. So nice working internal SSD for your computer.